Hey, I'm Hamid. In the next 7 minutes, you'll discover how thousands of people retire in their 30s and 40s. It's called the FIRE movement, and it might change your life forever. Here's the truth. FIRE stands for Financial Independence, Retire Early. The idea is simple. Save and invest aggressively until your investments cover all living expenses. Then work becomes completely optional. Not 65, not 70. We're talking your 30s or 40s. Most people don't know the entire FIRE movement runs on one formula. Multiply your yearly expenses by 25. That's your FIRE number. Spend $30,000 a year. You need $750,000 invested, then withdraw 4% annually. Your money lasts forever, but stick around. In Scene 5, I reveal the types of FIRE that fit any income. Here's what's changed everything. It's not about how much you earn, it's about your savings rate. Save 10%, you'll work 40 more years. Save 50%, you're free in 17 years. Save 75%, just 7 years to financial independence. Wild, right? Most people save under 5%. That's why most people never escape. Imagine this. There's not just one version of FIRE. Lean FIRE means extreme frugality, under $30,000 a year. Fat FIRE means retiring on luxury, over $100,000 a year. Barista FIRE means part-time work covers the gap. Coast FIRE means you've invested enough. Compound interest does the rest. Which one sounds like you? Nobody tells you this. FIRE is a marathon, not a sprint. Here's what a realistic journey looks like starting from scratch in 2026. Year 1. Build your emergency fund. Year 3, max out your ISA and pension contributions. Year 7, your investments generate real passive income. Year 12, your portfolio covers all expenses. Year 15, you're completely free. Compound interest is doing the heavy lifting. Let's be real. A 2026 survey found 78% of retirees wish they started investing earlier. Every single year you delay costs you thousands. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time, right now. Don't let this video be entertainment. Let it be your turning point. If this video hit different, drop it in the comments right now. Tell me, which type of FIRE are you chasing? Lean, fat, barista, or coast? I read every single comment. Subscribe to Wealth Decoders for weekly money secrets. Share this with someone stuck in the grind. Let's decode wealth together.